Hey there! Struggling with the Roku audio guide and need a way to get it working smoothly? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll teach you how to fix Roku audio guide issues and bring your streaming experience back to life with just a few simple steps. Step 1. Double check your settings. The first step to fix Roku audio guide issues is to ensure your settings are correctly configured. On your Roku remote, press the Home button and navigate to Settings. From there, select Accessibility and go to Audio Guide. Make sure the audio guide is turned on if you want it enabled. If it's already on but not functioning correctly, try toggling it off and then back on. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve the problem. Step 2. Ensure volume and audio output are correct. Next, make sure that the volume is turned up and the audio output settings are correct. Press the volume button on your Roku remote to increase the sound. If your Roku is connected to an external audio device, ensure that device is powered on and not muted. You may need to consult your sound system's manual for more detailed troubleshooting related to audio output options. Step 3. Restart your Roku device. Restarting your Roku device can fix various issues, including problems with the audio guide. To do this, go to Settings, System, System Restart. Select Restart and Restarting your Roku device can fix various issues, including problems with the audio guide. To do this, go to Settings, System, System Restart. Select Restart and allow your device to completely reboot. This process can clear up any glitches or temporary errors that might affect the audio guide function. Step 4. Update Roku software. Another reason the Roku audio guide might not be functioning correctly is due to outdated software. To check for updates, go to Settings, System, System Update, check now. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your Roku software up to date ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. Step 5. Perform a factory reset as a last resort. If the above steps haven't resolved the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. Before proceeding, remember that this will erase all settings and data on your device. To factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset your device. Afterward, you'll need to set up your Roku from scratch, including re-enabling the audio guide. By following this guide, you should be able to fix Roku audio guide issues without much hassle. Whether it's adjusting settings, ensuring proper audio volume output, restarting your device, or updating the software, each step can help restore the functionality of your Roku audio guide. Remember, factory reset should always be the last resort. With these solutions in hand, you'll enjoy a seamless and accessible streaming experience once again. Happy streaming.